Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram music not showing all songs permanently. So step 1 is we're going to update Instagram. So you're going to head over to Play Store, App Store, and then you're going to update Instagram to the latest version. So if you see the update button right here, you're just going to click on that and it will automatically update your Instagram. Now step 2 is you're going to switch your account region. So you're just going to head over to your phone settings and then scroll down until you find location. So you're just going to click on privacy and security and then make sure that you are using your location services, and then it is set to United States or wherever you are because some songs are region blocked or region locked. Now step 3 is you're also going to clear your cache. So from your settings, you're going to scroll down again and then until you find the apps button, and then from here you're going to find Instagram. Now once you see Instagram, you're just going to click on clear cache, and then your cache will be cleared. Another thing is that you can also head back to Instagram, and then from here you're going to reinstall the Instagram. You're going to have to log out and back in. If it still doesn't work, you're just going to have to reinstall the app. Now step 5 is you can also use a VPN, which is optional. So if some songs are still missing, you can use a VPN to set the US while adding music. And that's it. You have finished missing music issue on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.